Welcome back, beautiful people, to Miss Shep Menu. I haven't seen my son in a bit, and I wanted to surprise him with this pork chop dinner. So I had leftover ingredients for cornbread, so I made a very small pan of cornbread using flour, cornmeal, butter, egg, a little oil, and canned milk. Anytime I bake or cook, I use canned milk because it has way more flavor than whole milk. Now I made this cornbread because I need it for my homemade dressing. I have leftover ingredients, but this dressing will have mushrooms in it because I'm hoping my son can come by and he loves mushrooms. So I decided to make a mushroom dressing for him, and I used my homemade vegetable broth. And then I moistened up my breadcrumbs and cornbread and everything and baked it. Okay, so after my dressing was done, I started my mac and cheese. Of course, with boiling my elbows. And then I shredded my cheeses. I went to my go-to cheeses of cheddar, mozzarella, and Colby Jack. Sharp for the flavor, mozzarella for the pull, Colby Jack to add creaminess to the mac and cheese. Then I added some butter. I added sour cream to add to the creaminess, canned milk, and seasonings. The Colby Jack cheese and the sour cream and with the milk combination for me is a substitute for using Velveeta when you want creamy mac and cheese. I seasoned the top and then I baked her. So I took my seasoning blend for when I want to fry meats and added it to some pureed onion. And I took that and put it all over my thoroughly clean pork chops, and I let them marinate for a couple of hours in the fridge. And this video is brought to you and sponsored by Oils and Bar Soaps. Oils and Bar Soaps has the best nurturing ingredients because your skin is beautiful and deserves the best soap.
Get with the program. I love her soap.
So after I allowed my pork chops to marinate, I fried them, and sometimes, getting my fried foods to look pretty like how y'all be doing, it be a struggle sometimes for me. But anyway, oh wait, I almost forgot that I did make a dessert using leftover sweet potato pie filling. If you enjoy my content, please like, subscribe, and follow, and leave a comment. God bless.